Okay, so here's what we're going to do. What we're going to do next. One is, again, I see that some of you have done this already. Some of you started. Some of you are still struggling to get that done. That's fine. Oh, good. So you have the next 2 hours to do that. If you have done this already, you can jump to exercise 2. Okay, so you can do exercise 2. Again, we have plenty here. If you have done this already, do the same deployment to the patient system that is available on Centennial. But again, the first priority is this one here. So you can download this file, you can deploy it to Azure, you can paste the URL under bonus 10 on Centennial, okay? So to get the last bonus, this is the last bonus of the course, bonus 10, you just upload the URL of your Sports Store application, okay? But again, you have the next 2 hours to do that. The deadline is 12:30 today, okay? Now, as you get it done, for the first 5, I have this beautiful magazine. You don't have too much stuff to do over the weekends, so you can read a coding magazine. Isn't it a good time a good way to pass your time? Reading about coding. So again, I have 5 of this. It's the November edition. It's all about .NET, Microsoft, coding, entity framework. Again, I know that you are looking forward to a good reading. Okay? So you have to. Again, the first, okay, we have some already there. Okay, so again, the first 5 working, posted on Padlet, will get the one of the 5 editions here, okay? Just post it here. It's posted already, see? Posting season, posting season. Let's see, we have one here.
Yes, sir. I posted.
Okay, it's good that it keeps in order. So, is it Gillian? You, oh no, you did. Yes, it's yours.
To the left. Thank you. Mine is just to the left.
Okay, so next one here. We have this one. Who's that?
Yeah. Thank you. What was the name? Yeah, production.
Okay, and then we have this one here. Okay, because of the extra work that I have to do here, it's not clicking. Well, I have to take some pages away.
Stick out the ending.
Okay, good. And then, let's see. Okay, Lucy. Okay, I hope that it's a different URL. Make sure that it's a different URL there.
Thank you.
Okay, we still have one. We still have one left. Come on. Still have one. Last one here.
No, I didn't.
Okay, and we have one there. Okay, who's that one? Again, if you don't put name, it's hard for me to know who's that one from, okay?
I can't.
Again, looking forward to give to this one here, but you have to tell me, who are you? You are missing this beautiful magazine. It will enhance your employment capabilities. You're going to get a job 2 weeks after reading this. Oh, okay. Think. Think?
I don't know if it works.
It seems to work, you see?
Oh, great. I don't know why, because mine is lagging.
Yours is not working?
It's lagging. Oh, it's just starting out.
Yeah, is that, so yours thing?
Thank you.
Perfect. Okay, but you still have your bonus 10 to get, okay? So that's the other side of your reward. So Again, make sure that you post that on Centennial under bonus 10. No file to upload, just the URL to post under assessments bonus 10, okay? That's the last bonus. So if you have, again, if you have done this already, you can jump to exercise 2. If you are stuck on exercise 1, I'm here to help. Still stuck? Yep, so I'll be there in a second.
Yeah, I did a lot of the previous work, but
Okay.
I have error at the beginning.
So
Like how
click,
to-
click connect.
Yeah, right.
What happens? Okay. Okay, so you have to check if your username is correct.
Yeah, it's correct. I'm sure. It's
Well, it says that it's not. So okay, keep here.
oh,
Go.
it's here. It's here. The password is
Okay,
password.
so there is something wrong
Yeah.
there. Okay, go back. Go back to the home here. Go back to resources. Go back to the server. The server. And so server admin. So this is the username. This is
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Okay, reset the password then. Just make sure that the password is correct. Reset the password. Try again and let me know. Let me take attendance quickly here before I start helping you more. Okay, so Alvin, Amel, Assad, Ben, Bojang, Brandon, Carlos, Gary, Alan, Intias, Ikra, Jerry, Janyu Chen, Joyeta, Katrina, Likai, Lushi, Mustafa, Rina, Tahir, Titu Ha, Titu, she was Ting Li, Wei Ma, Wen, yep, Wen Shu, Jillian, Xing Long, Wai Bin, yep, Win Zhao, yep. If you want, if you want to have a video reference of those steps, I'm sharing here the recording that I have from another section. So in case you want to have a look. So I'm pasting that on Padlet in case you want a quick reference there, video form. So did it work? Okay, but you see, the user or password was a problem. What's the other?
Do you mind?
No problem, go ahead.
Sorry. I just like still the punish doesn't work. It's like failed return.
Okay, show me that.
Sorry.
So you have to wait a little bit. It takes a while. Once it comes up, okay, error has occurred. Click OK there. Click Close. Let's go to Azure. Leave it open. Leave it open. Go to Azure. The Azure website.
I didn't run it.
No. Leave it there. Leave it there.
I did it.
Leave it there.
What does that mean? Go
To Azure. To Azure's website. Can you download the PDF? Yeah. So can you go to the very top?
You mean this one?
Keep going. Keep going. Portal. Go here. Yeah. Okay. So let's go to our resources here. Can you?
Here.
Yeah. Go to our resources. Can you go to Insights? Okay. Come back here. Click Publish again. Don't leave this. Leave it open, please.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No problem. Go back there to Azure. Because there is a place that you can see the attempts that have been done. Can you maximize this window?
Max?
Can you make it larger?
Oh.
Yeah. Can you click there?
Click.
Yes. Let's see. Okay, here, deployment, 26 failed. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look at the log. So click on log error details. Let's see what is going on there. Okay. So the problem seems to be that name, new solo coder. That new thing there, it seems to be, okay, let's create a new resource here. Put something there without new, but create a new resource there.
Hello?
Well,
Or
yeah, keep it. I mean, that's fine.
is that group I need to use mine?
No, actually, this doesn't need to be unique. This is just for you. That's fine. So click create there. Because it might be the parentheses in that name that is given a hard time. Wait. Because I saw that before. It might be that.
Looks fine now.
Seems to be, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's the parentheses. There was a new, and then there was inside parentheses. It seems that it doesn't like that character.
Oh, okay, I got you. Is that because when I created the document, like,
So this is the error log. See, it's just saying name is not valid. So I'm assuming that there's. Let's keep waiting there. Let's have a look there.
yes.
See, it's deploying. It's starting to deploy.
Okay, I got you.
Okay.
Yes, I know how to. I can try if I can fix it.
Yep. Let me know. That's okay. That's okay. That's fine. That's fine.
I think I need to from view.
Okay. If it happens that, refresh. See if you can refresh. Yeah. So deploy again. Just try to deploy again until you get it right. There's not much else that can be done. No, you are running there. Yeah, I'm talking about deploying. Did you deploy live already?
Yes, I think the publish, right?
Yeah, it's not running. It's not running there. It's deploying. Did you create the database? So click on publish. Yeah. And again, try again. If it doesn't work yet,
Okay.
recompile and try again. Again, there's not much else that can be done aside from trying again. Gillian, if you want to let me know in the email what you want me to include, okay? I'll add that, okay? No problem. Anyone stuck? Anyone need some help? Yep.
Sorry,
What's up?
So I don't know how to get the firewall here.
Okay, the firewall, you mean? Okay, so you can go to, let's see, resource groups. Okay, I think that your account is not active yet, though, so maybe start here, because I don't think that's, yeah.
Will it charge?
Well, let's see what it will ask. Let's see what it will say, because I don't know if you have, let's see. It may ask you to validate with credit card, but it won't charge you because you're going to have $260. Yeah, but it may ask you for credit card validation, see? You won't be charged unless you upgrade, but it may ask you for that. So set this up. And then you're going to go and create databases, create the other steps. I shared the video in Padlet from another class that I walk, that you can see the recording, so you can see step by step on what we have gone through already, okay? Any questions? What's up?
It's okay. This account?
Yeah, did you go to Azure already? So yes, it should be okay. Go to home. So do we have the database created already? Okay, so I shared the video that you can go through. I'll show the steps. But again, you have to create your SQL databases here. Yeah, click there. So you have to, yeah, so your account is not active yet, it seems. Click start here. I think it's still redirecting. Maybe refresh the browser. But just to let you know, wireless, you connect to the wireless, correct?
Yeah.
You have to use the workstation here because the wireless will not, you're not going to be able to create the databases. Yeah, you have to use the, yeah, for the wireless, you're going to have to use this workstation.
For Oracle or SQL?
For SQL, you have to use that because wireless will not work. Okay? You're going to have to follow the steps there in the workstation. Okay? Again, if you need to review any of the steps, if you got late or anything like that, I've shared this video here. Then you can have a look and you can see all the steps that I went through already with another section. Again, it's all there. You can always ask me, that's fine. But again, if you want to have a video reference, you can have this one here. Okay, Brandon, we have yours here as well. Let's have a look. Awesome.
And then I think just yeah.
Yes.
Wasn't here last week? Did you guys make groups?
What is, yeah.
Groups for, so is there like a group that I can join? Or?
You can, if you know more people that don't have a group, you can form a group. At least 3 people.
Okay. At least 3? What are
At least 3. Up from 3 to 4 people. And then the other alternative is to find a group that has 3 people, even 4. It's okay, and I can add you to a group that has 4. Okay, but you have to find a group. And again, if it has already 4, you won't be able to join manually. So let me know, and I will join you to that group. Okay?
You can join us.
you guys have? Yeah.
Are you agree? Exactly. No, nothing. Like update, database, contact.
Actually, that's a good reminder. Again, if you don't have a group yet, make sure that you join a group or you form a group, okay? So again, no group, no good.
Yeah, that's okay. And then take for second. If it were up to me, I would. No, I would. Oracle.
Are you part of it?
You have to like install some Oracle plugin into your Visual Studio. So I found it was this that's already yeah. So apparently we have to install this thing onto our Visual Studio, and then people for 12, like we're using Oracle 12, right? Using your table? It mentioned some website. This is not really like the newest documentation updates. So this is for like design. More. So that led me this thing called OEP, should be go back they have Visual Studio 2018. So this is for OEP this is how we get it.
When I go to the debug, the production, when I change the
Deployment, yep.
is this capital alert or the same thing?
It doesn't matter. You can keep it capital, but it doesn't matter, okay?
Yeah, there might be other spots. So I don't know if you So there's still some people getting those. I don't know. We're taking the same courses, but we're doing the same thing. I have a feeling it's better to do both. Project work. I don't know. Project work. Personal projects. There's child health services, there's like some, like there's a beamer security, there's like a basic health. Francis said that only like 40% of students have a health placement. So most students, so 50-60% don't. But I don't know. Worst case scenario is that you want to like get off by 1
Is there like a master list of what's taken?
What is that?
features are taken?
And sorry, say
Like
it
a
again.
list of what features are taken for the project?
Which features? Oh. So did you join a group?
Yeah, me and him, just two.
Oh, okay. Just so far?
Yeah.
But you're gonna have a third one?
Maybe not. I don't know.
Yeah. So
I'm gonna see. Well, for now, at least I have.
okay. So do this. Send me your name, so I email. I will assign a project to you.
Okay.
Because what we did, we had a draft
Yeah.
in the day. So
Oh,
each group had a chance to pick one, and there's no repetition. So I'm gonna check in
what's
your
taken.
case what is taken, what is not taken, and I'll assign whatever is left there
Okay.
to your group.
And do you want me to just give you the group number, or do you want the name?
Did you join already
Yeah,
a
I
group?
joined.
So okay, so just send me an email with your group number and remind me to assign you a project. I'll do that right away.
Okay. And
Okay.
next week the proposals due? Or is that one?
Yes, actually, it's let me see here the
Sorry.
timetable. So yeah, the proposal is
The assignment.
yeah. So I think that the proposal is the Monday, and the assignment is on Sunday.
Got you.
So, but you can see the deadlines on Centennial. Okay. So again, just send me the reminder. I will assign. What's up?
I just have you heard of this thing called ODAC? So from the link that you gave me, I kind of did a circuitous bunch of web searches
Okay.
and came up with this thing called ODAC for odp.net.
Okay.
Apparently it's like plugin for Visual Studio 2017, and you plug it into Visual Studio, and then that helps you to access.
Okay.
Is this, have you ever?
ODEP, not precisely not precisely ODEP, but it seems. Let me see from Oracle.
This is an Oracle website. I went to their documents. Like they have a bunch of pages of documentation for like .NET developers.
Yep.
And then from this page, it says you have to download this thing called ADO.
ADO.net. So ADO.net is just another approach to access database.
Okay.
Choose the download. Okay, getting started for beginners. Oracle Data Access component. Oracle Data Access. So that's how I guess that's the component of Oracle that might be the library that you have to add to your Visual Studio.
Okay.
Or more specifically to your. Yeah, I will download that. I will download that and give it a try.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Just wanted to make sure.
But again, I don't have it on top of my head because this is very Oracle specific.
Yeah.
I have worked with Oracle very little in the past. Okay. But I think it's worth pursuing that. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it. And for bonus 10, can we just post the link?
Just a link.
We can just put it in the text section.
Just in the text section, you just post a link. That's it.
Okay. I wish you the best.
Yeah. Yes, I'll have a look.
So this no table shown here.
Okay, did you write the update scripts already? Did you write both of them? Did you? Yeah. Did you apply both of them to the to identity and products?
Yeah.
So let's refresh identity here. Right click on the database. Right click. Go to refresh. And then expand table now. Let's wait there.
It used to show in here a table, but when I refresh it, it's gone.
Not necessarily the refresh at the top.
Oh,
Yeah, so okay, can you run the script again?
this one.
Yeah, actually let's have a look here. Can I see your JSON production? So database connection strings, they are fine. Are you sure? 100%? All good?
So just change the password and
Yes.
change to
Yes.
2, right?
Yeah. So can you scroll that way? Okay. So run the commands to create the go to the very bottom. Go to the very bottom of this. Yeah. Run the first command again. I just want to see the first one getting done. Go ahead. Sorry. Actually, let's have a look at the environment first.
Okay.
Don't copy the whole thing. Just the part without. Yeah. Just that. Copy that. Paste there. Hit enter. Okay. Production. Great. So let's run this one. Yep. Let's see what it will say. Paste there, hit enter. Let's see. Okay, no migration applied, database is already up to date. Okay, so it's saying that it's already there. Great. So let's get rid of this connection because maybe it's a problem with the connection. Let's go to the top, right click. So disconnect. Yeah, disconnect. Let's do the connection again. Click the plus icon at the top. So let's add the connection again there. Yep. So SQL Server, username,
Yeah, your email.
password.
No, this should be Oh, okay.
Click the remember and then click connect. Okay, so it connected. So expand that. Expand database. Let's have a look at the second one. And then tables now. Okay, so
No special characters, no space, I think no dash.
there's a misspelling here. Look at the name. Now, you find out what is the misspelling. I don't forgive misspellings. Now I figure out. What is the problem? A little dot. The dot that is the problem. When you run, so what has happened is that when you run the command there, because it couldn't find anything called production, it run locally again. It just run locally again and again. It never run remotely. So now you have to run both commands again. What is that? Okay, so connect again. So right click the database, disconnect, and then connect again. Not there. Right at the top here, yeah. Yeah, you just reconnect. What is that?
The environment value goes with production.
I didn't get it. The UI?
Because he lost the dot line here.
Yeah, so because it couldn't find, it run in the default one again.
But when we check the environment, but
But the environment, that's okay. The environment's okay, but here, there's no matching. You have production there, but you have no matching file. So it could not find the file. Because it could not find it, goes to the default one, which is this one. So environment is okay, but this is not matching. So it found, okay, is there an app settings dot production? No, it went to the first one there. Okay.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Mustafa, what's your number, the group number? 8? Okay, so you're going to be doing the pictures. What is that? Yeah, I know. I know it's the most difficult one. For the late groups, we save the hardest ones. No?
No, we picked already this chat also.
You just get along.
Is there any hint or
What is that?
is there any hint or
The hints? Well, you can talk to each other. No? Now you have another group that is doing pictures as well. So get hints from each other. Put something like this. What is the difficulty right now? What are you stuck? Tell me one thing that you're stuck. or did you start yet?
I'm trying, but like,
Where are you stuck?
I think like creating properties for the
Okay, so for picture, I'd recommend you have a recipe ID because you have to link the picture to the recipe and the picture name. Maybe you have the name of the picture because you are not saving the file in the database, you are just saving the name of the picture. So if you upload the file, you are saving it somewhere. Are you able to upload? Okay, so find that out, figure that out. Go .NET Core, how to upload an image, how to upload a file. Put on Google. Google is your friend. Okay? I'll be there in a second.
I change something maybe like this.
So you have the list of features?
Yes.
Yeah, so I just sent you.
Pictures.
Pictures.
Just a quick question.
Yep.
I want to just understand it.
Yep.
So does the pictures added every time a person adds a recipe? Is that what?
Oh, okay, so did you read the...
I read it. I
the-
just don't.
okay, so the idea is that for the same recipe, you can have multiple pictures associated with that recipe. When you're going to be asking to upload, I'll leave it up to you. You can put
The
it...
user uploads a picture.
Yes. The user that is creating the recipe will be able to upload as many pictures about that recipe as they want.
And then it's just gonna.
It should display when you view the recipe. It should display them there. Again, however you want to display. Yeah. But you have to create a model for that. You have to allow the user to upload the file. You have to store the file. You don't need to store the file in the database. My recommendation is that store the file name in the database, and then the file will be stored in the file system. So it will be like something like /images/recipes/ and then you store the files there. And then again, every time that you display a recipe,
I am gonna store the files, the images.
not in the database. Yeah, store in the file system. Okay. But again, you have to store something there in the database that can link back to the image.
Yeah, in that session. But if they close it, all those images would be gone.
But that's saved in the database. Okay. You will not be saving the file in the database, but you're going to be saving a reference to that, linking that recipe number 1 to file to the files.
So when they upload a file, I haven't done this before. So
That's
when they
fine.
upload a file,
Yep.
that file that they upload, would it be saved somewhere on my computer?
On the server.
On the server.
If you're running in your computer, yes.
Okay, and then all I have to do is reference that file that it's where it's supposed to go.
So that reference, you should store in the database because then next time that you run the application again, I need to see the same images. So you're going to have a table in the database that will have the recipe ID, and then let's say the pictures table. You're going to have the recipe ID and the file name, so that you can load all files from that recipe. You're going to have a collection of files, and you're going to loop through it in your view, and be able to display them with an image tag.
So in the view, it's going to be a loop that's going to basically populate.
It could be just like that, yes. Okay. Some of the challenges. The challenge 1 is how do we upload the file?
Yeah.
So you can find that out. I mean, that's a quick Google search will give you plenty of options there. So you're going to have to allow uploading, You're going to save in the server the file, and again, you're going to save the
A reference in the
database. Yeah. So you're going to have the recipes table, you're going to have the pictures table, and again, you're going to relate them to each other via the recipe ID. So one recipe, many images,
files.
many files.
I could just comma separate them, right? In the same record.
I want to see a collection there. I want to see each file, each image will be another record in the database.
Gotcha.
Okay? So you are doing a one-to-many relationship. Okay?
Gotcha. Thank you.
No problem.
Let me know, Mustafa, when you find it. Mustafa, let me find it and let me know when you find it. Yes, thank you.
The same thing.
Yeah, because I think we've done that for like
Oh, sorry. Yes. I forgot. Sorry about that. What's happening there?
Always
Okay. So did you open the firewall for the IP address? Because that's a problem. That's a problem about that. Usually it's a problem with the firewall. Okay. Okay. Go back to your server. Yeah. Go to the firewall. Okay. Can you refresh this page? Just hit refresh. I just want to make sure. Yeah, in the browser there. In the browser, refresh. Okay, so the IP is there. That's correct. Okay, so let's go back to the application. Let's see the problem again. Okay, let me see, verify the instance. Okay, click OK. That's okay. You can sit down. I'm fine. Here, okay. So are you sure that it's all fine there? So the name of the database. Okay. Look the spelling. It's different from here and from here. Look at this. Spelling. Either one is wrong. One is wrong there. Again, pay attention to your spelling. All the problems that I saw today was about spelling. There was a spelling problem. The way to avoid that is copy and paste. Safa, remember that the proposal. Proposal is supposed to be, a one-page document that shows which views you're going to create, which actions you're going to create, which so views, actions, controllers as well if you have, and why did you create that view? Why did you create that action? Just a simple one page, just to tell what is it that you're going to be creating. You don't have to have them implemented yet, but it's just your planning, okay? Yes. 2 weeks.
Our final exam on the 14th.
So,
Or sorry, week 14. But what's the exact date? Because
it's the Sunday. It's always a Sunday.
the last Sunday. The reason I'm asking is because on the Centennial.
No, it's not the last day. Test is not the last day.
Oh, it's not the last day.
No, the project is the last day. Here's the schedule. So next weekend we're going to be talking about identity framework. The following one is test 2. The following one,
2nd. So the proposal.
not December 2nd. This is just the week of. It's the week of
Okay.
December 7th. So it's on the 7th.
So when do you need our proposals by? Proposals.
Let's have a look at.
I think
Centennial.
it's December 1st, I think. December 1st? Okay. So December 1st proposal, then so test 2 is December 2nd. And it will cover.
No, test 2 is not December 2nd. Okay, it's not December 2nd. We don't have class on December 2nd.
Oh, okay.
It's that we have. It's December 2nd is the week of. The week of December 7th. So it's the 8th. So we're gonna have on the 8th here.
Okay.
And our presentation is on the 15th.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
sorry.
no problem. Yes,
Just paste it.
just paste the URL. Yep, that's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Just a minute. Okay, URL paste Another question is,
1 second, 1 second.
He was sleeping through the literally sleeping. I look back like this guy is asleep.
Okay, again, just so nobody gets confused, whoops, not showing this. So our time frames here. Next weekend we're going to be still have new content there. Project proposal is due the day after next weekend. Assignment 3 is due next weekend. Test 2 is due, it will be done on December 8th. This is the actual date. And again, project and submission on December 15th, okay? Okay, so that's the very last day of college, so it's that Sunday, okay? You had a question?
so for the assignment, I try to do it here. So, but for some reason, it's just not showing.
For the assignments, assignment 3, you mean?
Yeah, for the migration.
Okay.
Data. So,
Okay, show me what you try to do. So,
so that line,
okay.
try to like.
Oh, that line, okay, this is in the command line. This is not for the, you see, there is a version for the package manager. This is not the correct version for the package manager. You have to use the other, yeah, you have to use another line there.
I think it's.
You have to use, let me open up. Let me see where I can find that one. You have to use something similar to this one here. Let's see.
I got it here.
You got it? Okay.
So is it whole line?
Okay, this line is the one in the command line. This is not the package manager. Package manager is the next one. So this is the similar as this one here. This is in the command line. This is in the package manager. This is in the command line. This is in the package manager.
你没有打完的。
不会砸锅，大能大小。报了一分错，你跟错了，不是那儿跟错，还有一个本来，对呀，不是怎么去？真不对，本来。
Okay, good stuff, Gary.
说 common 的，我 common 是删了。那是第几题？
Just a quick, I'll be done in a second. Just a quick note. If any one of you is interested in, I don't know who heard about Udemy before. Udemy. So this week up to Black Friday is the big promotion of the entire site. So again, if there's anything that you may want to get to learn, even if it's not immediately, but again, usually things are going there for $13, entire courses. So we have until Friday. Again, even if you're not going to take it right away, but you can buy it, and then you can take it a little bit later if you need. But again, take that. I mean, usually courses will go for $190, $200, and again, up to Black Friday, it's $13. You know, I got some. We need to learn. Everybody needs to learn. You know.
How do we copy this and put it in the notepad?
I just did that because I wanted to save it. I didn't want to keep going back and forth here, so I just needed to save it.
So we'll
That's
be
it.
using this somewhere.
We're going to use this in the connection string. This becomes our connection string that we have to replace the passwords in the true here. Okay? What's up? Yeah. If I teach, no, I don't have a course. No, I just mentioned because it's a great place, but I don't have any course there. I have plans, but I don't have the time. It's hard to put the time together. And again, I don't want to slap recordings there. I mean, it has a different it needs to be focused for the web, not for presence. So it's a different style of teaching. So it has to be made for that. But yeah, I have a time problem, and I couldn't sit down to put my stuff together. What's up?
I'm getting this error after publishing.
You try again.
Try again?
You try again. Just my recommendation is go back here.
Okay.
Maybe try to recompile it again. Go to build, rebuild solution, and then deploy it again. Deploy it one more time. Go right-click the project.
Right here.
Properties. Sorry, not properties. Sorry. Publish.
Publish.
And then publish it again. So you try until you get it. Sometimes it's Azure. Sometimes it's something wrong with the deployment. Again.
Just need to try hard.
But let's see. Next time, try to click the button, the publish button harder. Really click on it. Now, again, unfortunately, there is nothing that I can do about that. Yeah, you will just have to keep. What you can try, go back there. Let's try something here. Go to views. Let's just make a minor change. Go to views. Go to shared. Yeah, go to layout.
This one?
Yeah, just put a space anywhere. Put a space there. Yeah, just make it a space there. Yeah, save it. And again, try to deploy again. That's the only thing, because that error, if you did everything fine, if the database is correct, the app settings are all correct. Are they correct?
I think so.
Go back there. Scroll down.
This one?
Yep. So, yeah, so if everything.
Yeah, password. My
Let me see.
password.
Products,
and,
identity.
I put through both of them.
Yeah. Go back to the browser. Yeah, and it'll. Let's see if Azure keeps track. Man, I don't know. I don't think it's. Oh, actually, you know what? Go back there.
Here or?
To the browser.
Okay.
Let me see here. One thing. An error occurred while starting your application. Yeah. I'll try it. Yeah. Again, the other option is start everything again. But what I've noticed is that after a few tries, finally comes out. But again, yours is not coming.
Thank you.
Let's see if there is any. I don't see anything in particular that is wrong with yours.
Try again.
Let me have a look at the database here. Do you have the database there up? So both databases are live. Can you right-click in products? Right-click and view data. So you're not able to oh, you are, yeah, wait a second. Just hold on, because it takes a little bit of time. Yeah, so that's because you run it locally or regionally, okay? Go back there to the browser. Share your URL with me. I just want to copy that arrow and see if I can find any information. Share on Padlet, the URL. Yep.
So try it, and then it has this.
Okay. What did you try now?
The same thing, just the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Scroll up. Scroll up. Add migration initial. Okay. What are you trying to do?
Just the migration of the data.
Okay.
For the project.
So again,
For the assignment.
what is that doing? What are you hoping to get there done with that? To get the migration scripts?
Yeah, it's supposed to show some.
Okay, that's fine. It's supposed to show the folder here, correct? Okay. So it's having a problem connecting to the database. It's having a problem with, see, scroll down. There's a misspelling somewhere. It's another misspelling here. Because when it does that, it's saying that it could not find something. So scroll down. Let's go to the app settings. So this is assignment.
I have a feeling this one should it be the same as that? You know?
So data recipe add recipe. Go back there. Oh, there's space here. There's no space. This is a problem. I know that this is a problem here. No, there's no space.
Well, I mean,
Save it. So receipt add recipe. Let's go to the app settings.
how'd you end up like?
Okay, try again now, because that space can be the culprit. No, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. No, you don't need to copy. I can show you. Scroll down, click there, up, hit enter. Okay. Add recipe. You have an add recipe. Well, you should rename this. This should not be called add recipe. This should be called recipe. But that's fine. I'll leave it. I'll leave it for now. But it should be called recipe.
I did try, but then I need to change a lot of stuff. Right?
Okay, that's fine. But again, this is not not the right name here. So you have public int here. Scroll down. Add recipe. Yeah, you see, what the problem is because this recipe ID is not matching here, so it's not being able to figure out what's the ID. Well, the way around that you can put key, you can annotate key. So click there, hit enter. So put in square brackets, open square brackets. Yeah, and then put key, capital K, capital K. Yep. And then click outside, save this, recompile, just to make sure that it's all compiling, recompile, build, and then rebuild. Okay, so now in the package manager, go down, hit up again, hit enter. Okay, scroll down.
How did you do like JSON objects in Python? I know we did in JavaScript. We do parse.
I scroll down. I think it did. No.
That's the fun kind of. That's what I do for my work.
Click inside. Hit up again. Let's try again. Initial. Okay, so it did create, I think. You know, refresh. Scroll up. Okay, here it is.
Oh, okay.
So it did create.
No, it's doing okay. Yeah, I just did it.
I have an idea. I just saw something here that could give. Did you close? Are you?
I already gave.
Oh, you give up on that one? Okay, but there is a way to get more information. We would have to use something like this. Again, we would have to, because the error message right now, it doesn't tell us too much. We need to get more detailed information. This would allow us to get more detailed. So again, I'll leave it up to you if you want to try that or not. But I'm gonna, let's see here. If you want, yeah, I'll give you this link. Have a look. I'll just post it here, and I'll keep this. I posted there.
Thank you.
No problem. Yep.
So there's no table showing this photo is to here, the photo is here. Is,
Okay, did you run the comments? Did you get an error?
it's like up when I try the second, this second one, it's fine.
Oh, okay. But this is the output. You're not. Did you run there?
Yeah, run
The update database? Yeah. So
maybe run it again.
Go on the website,
Update.
see something you like, you copy it. Yeah, that's all it is. Classic.
Run this, right?
I think it run already without errors here, but go ahead. It will say that
Already.
it's already created there. So no migration replied, the database is already up to date. So refresh the, it's not, okay, this is not the correct server here. Go back here to the server, go back to the server, back, go and click add here, add. Yep.
It's like a package, right?
Go to local,
Server light or something?
local, and then that's the local DB. This is the one, I think. Yep. Click OK.
Connect.
Connect. Expand there. Expand database. See the database are there? No, not system database. Not system. Here, you see?
That one.
Right?
See, it's there. Oh, so that's for store. Okay, so this one here, recipe. Is that the recipe one? Yeah, so recipe here. Tables. It's there. Okay?
Yeah,
That's okay. That's all. It doesn't matter if it goes aside or under. It will behave the same way. Okay?
I did it like twice and it just happened.
That's okay. It's fine.
No, and then you go like online. Or you can practice on your own penetration test.
这个是你4个 data 你要把你要占用的数据放4个 data 里没想到猫的hardcore 的那个 data 的话，它不是一个单数不需对啊，但是你是它是不是 MK， 但是你要
So do you use the O'Reilly?
它现在但是你要
No.
加一些 code，让那
Kind of a
个
nerd
跟
for
它
textbooks.
Okay.
So I like
Awesome.
I like the textbooks. So I go to here O'Reilly. So it's similar to the Udemy courses.
Okay.
Only it's sort of like access through Centennial. So
Oh.
like ASP.NET stuff. So it'll give me like textbooks.
Okay. So you can see the textbooks there?
Yeah.
The content? The whole thing?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Wow.
Absolutely.
Including this textbook, for instance?
Yeah, yeah. This is.
Oh.
What's his name?
Ours?
Freeman's?
Yeah, Freeman. Yeah.
因为一开始你的 database 很
This is good.
Freeman's.
So we have access to it's the whole book.
Yeah, this is not every company. Like some companies will put like they
Not
don't
every
allow-
publisher.
Yeah, they don't allow. This one has.
So how did you go? Did you get to that? I mean, you create an account?
Oh no, it's here. Let me log out. Log out. Okay, so when I log in, sign in here.
Okay.
So I just put my Centennial.
Okay.
Here we go, Centennial. And then no password. It puts me back to
Oh, it validates. Oh,
validation here, and then it gives me.
it redirects there.
It redirects there. It gives you like a very basic profile. Like you can't do much with the
Got
profile.
it.
Like you can only set like some.
或者对或
But again, you have access to the books.
Yeah, this is pretty much all year. And then I set up playlists
这
and
三排
everything.
列是要那个视为 primary
So-
key database 自动生成的。
You can put like playlist for let's see, ASP. So I can make a playlist for like ASP stuff.
Got it. This is good.
These topics. Some of them are videos, some of them are books, this kind of stuff. So. But yeah, dependency.
That's good.
dependency
Dependency
this
injection.
kind of stuff. Yeah. So some of them are not the greatest quality, but you know,
It's still relevant. I mean,
yeah, it helps. Async stuff.
I'm gonna give it a try.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So O'Reilly main website, correct? O'Reilly.
Yeah, just learning.o'reilly.com.
Got it.
Yeah, and then we'll put you to just put in your Centennial email, and then it puts for.
Yeah. I'll give it a shot. Yeah.
Totally.
Thank you. Yep. Actually, for Udemy, actually, the one I bought was this one here. I think it was this one. Let me just check. Yeah, this was the one. I bought this one. Build an app with ASP.NET Core and Angular from scratch. So again, from ASP.NET, it will cover what we went through, but then it's going to be using Angular in the front end. So instead of using views, it will just use Angular in the front end. I didn't start it yet, but I got this one.
So the style is like, is it like what you did like hands-on?
It's hands-on, but again, it's a style more appropriate for online training because what I do is I do the records of the classes, but again, the style I do is better for classwork, and you can have a backup as a recording. This one here is more of online training, so I find it to be very useful. This kind of course, you know. They have exercise. They have. Let me see what is the material here that they have. Resources. Yeah, see, they have code files. Yeah. Again, I didn't start it yet, so I cannot really attest to this guy because I have not taken a course from this person yet. but it's very well ranked. I read the reviews, very up to date. Seems to be a good one, and I think I paid $13 for it. You know,
So after registration, they can take it at any time.
anytime. It's all is yours. You pay once, it's there forever. Okay, no problem. Yeah, Ben, I just tried. It works like charm. Yeah.
Yeah, it's got this book and
Yep. Have a good one.
typically it shows if you go to, okay, see I'm gonna stop.
Okay, see you.
If you go to the front cover of the book, it should also show the sorry, oh yeah, no, go back to the Adam Freeman. Yeah, if you click on the middle,
Okay.
it should have link. Oh, it doesn't have link to the code there. Oh, there we go.
the code.
Download source code.
Yep.
Yeah, it shows.
Download source code,
I
yep.
think it's on GitHub or.
It is. But yeah, man, this is
Yeah, no,
good.
it's, I find
So
it-
every student has access to this.
Should,
Then
yes.
so again, that's good to know. I mean, I was not fully aware of that.
Yeah, no, I mean some of the research is not great, but it's nice to have like this particular textbook is like to have it online is nice.
It's awesome. I mean, it's an expensive book. It's a good book. But it's an awesome book. It's a very good book. You know?
I find it helpful. So it's got the code examples built in. So
Thank you.
yeah, no worries. I hope it helps because
It does.
When I first tried, I went on Udemy and I bought some Udemy courses, and I actually liked them a lot. And you get the certificate and everything. But then this one's free. So
Of course. Yeah, no, of
I
course.
guess the only difference is it doesn't give you like. I mean, Udemy is still great because you can ask like the questions and there's like the interactive element. Whereas O'Reilly is more textbooks and like
I get it.
the videos are there, but it's not like you can't have dynamic interaction with the teacher. So.
See, look at this book. I mean, this is awesome. It was just released, you know. Look at this.
Yeah, I mean it's like going to the library. It's like going to the bookstore.
Yeah, the one that I bought in at Udemy is Angular with what we did here, but building an app with ASP.NET Core and Angular from scratch. So yeah, and it's this book here, you know. And it's Adam Freeman. Okay, I like his style. So
He's the same one from the sports store. And
yes, yeah. I was looking forward to actually to a book like this. So right on time, you know. Awesome. Yeah. Early Christmas, you know. Try again, you should try again. Don't give up. Again, there might be something wrong. Tahir. You may want to start from. Now, did you try? You didn't see that link yet, because again, that link.
On that link, I don't see the
Okay, so if you go to that link, here, it shows this. Okay. Now, what I did. Let me see.
here, it's in your connection or app settings. No, it doesn't.
Okay, so it is. If you go to app settings, go to properties, add a new key here, and then set the value to true. Let me see if this is no. Actually to 1. Let's see. Make it to 1. Let me see here. I just want to check how it stores this.
And then this one to handle errors.
Yeah. So set it to 1.
Instead of key, put
And then make sure that you copy and paste. Don't try to type that whole thing.
right? Yeah. I know. Try again.
Yeah, try to deploy. I'm not saying that it's going to fix. Hopefully, it's going to show you more details what's going on, because that error is just too cryptic, you know.
How come you didn't use the school?
I tried same.
Oh, same thing?
Yeah,
Oh,
same.
no.
Give me same problem.
So this step you can do from your laptop. This step is not a problem. The problem is when you do the database one.
No, I'm using like my
Your data?
yeah my data.
Yeah, you're getting the same issue there.
That's fine. That's fine. I gave up. I finished my assignment 3.
You did?
Yeah, can you like give a quick check if something wrong or?
Well, is it running?
Yeah.
Is it stored in the data
No,
database?
like, I mean, like problem. Sometimes, like you don't understand. Like for example, it says move to some.
Oh, move
view,
the edit view. Okay,
That's
okay.
fine.
So that's the create of the
Here's my-
recipe. Okay.
Like home
Mm-hmm.
controller, and like I did admin stuff. It asked me password.
Okay.
John.
You didn't have to,
Yeah, I know, but like.
but it's good.
1, 2, 3,
Looks nice.
Log in. Yeah, this one is like
Okay.
the main page of the admin.
So you can change.
Detail, edit, and delete.
Click on edit. So it's working. So you can update the information there.
25. Save. But
Go to details. Yeah, go to details.
oh, not this one. Which one was the second one?
The first one wasn't it?
First one?
First one.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Okay, I can see there. Yep.
And so like if I try add another one.
Show me the controller. Show me the controller, the new controller that you have created.
I have admin and account controller.
Okay, so you show me the admin one. So you have created here. It seems to be all good.
You don't need that controller.
Yeah, but
That
like we need
no,
for
you don't need
project,
the login, not the login.
We
Yes,
need for project. I
for a
think-
project. Yes,
I think
Okay.
that is okay.
seems to be.
Yeah, delete is working. Logout. And the others like here on the home controller. Like I have just list, and then
Okay.
I can see views. That's all.
Got it.
View reviews. I'm trying to do
implement
like,
the reviews?
reviews, but I can't figure out. Like
Focus on your pictures. Focus on your pictures. Okay.
thank you.